Hi guys, it's after work. I just went to Spa quickly to get a few stuff and I'm heading home. Hope you guys are still good. Hope you guys are still fabulous. Hope you guys are still great. I think I'm gonna cook with you today. Nothing much, nothing hectic, nothing special. Something quick. Midweek dinner. Then we'll catch up a bit later on.
For me
Three ingredients only, guys. The sauce, I could have made more sauce, shotaka sauce, but it's delicious. I made the sauce on the side. I took out the chops, put in some butter, onion, added beef stock, just half because it's quite salty, and then yeah, just let it mix. It took up a life. Yeah, I think I should have added more sauce, but anyway, it is what it is. Yeah, sorry to eat here, guys, but let's chat again tomorrow. If you're still watching, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please share the video. Please do not skip the ads. I would highly appreciate that. Let's chat tomorrow, guys.
There can't be no light if darkness don't exist. He never left my side. He showed me the way out of all the storms raging at the sea. He gave me back my life. I owe him everything. Rejoice, rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord, forever and always. I rejoice, rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord, always. He carried me to shore, held me through the pain. He loved me at my worst. I thank him every day. I will put him first, 'cause he did that for me. He sacrificed himself so I could find my peace. Rejoice, rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord, forever and always. I rejoice, rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord, always. Put joy to his name every single day, 'cause he never left our sight. He showed us the way. Rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord, forever and always. Rejoice, rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord, there can't be no light if darkness don't exist. He never left my side. he showed me the way.
Let me go for one day, let me lose myself again. Give me something for the pain, always trying to pretend that I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart and shattered lives. Let me go for one day, let me lose myself.